Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a flight in the Avianca application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the search button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the search for a flight button. So first you have to select if it's a one-way trip or a round trip. Then you have to set the departure as well as the destination country. And then you have to set the departure date. And then you have to set the number of adults, children or infants traveling with you. And lastly, you can add the promo code if you have that, but that's optional, obviously. And then just click on the search for flights button. And as you can see, here are all the available flights for that day. So now you can just browse through them and select the one that that's the most optimal for you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.